In light of Arab Medical Centers accreditation by leading international medical device and equipment manufacturing companies as a regional center of excellence and training for medical professionals across the Middle East and Africa, a specialized training workshop was conducted in the center. This collaborative initiative, in partnership with Siemens, focused on the domains of interventional radiology and catheterization, drawing participation from physicians and technicians from Tanzania. The workshop seamlessly blended theoretical lectures with extensive hands-on applications, encompassing a diverse range of diagnostic and interventional therapeutic catheterization cases. Utilizing state-of-the-art medical devices and equipment housed within the catheterization department and other sections of the center, participants engaged in practical exercises showcasing varying degrees of complexity and advancement. Participants expressed admiration for the catheterization department's advanced scientific standards and the collective expertise of its staff. Such recognition has positioned the department as the exclusive regional training center in Jordan, endorsed by major medical device and equipment companies. The accolade affirms AMC's commitment to providing cutting-edge training and fostering a reputation for excellence in medical education.
My name is Dr. Eric Michael Boguja from Tanzania. I'm working at the National Hospital, which calls Muhimbili National Hospital. I'm an interventional radiologist. I had the chance to visit Arab Aman Medical Center here in Jordan. My experience here is very amazing. We had good and warm welcome from the director of the hospital, staff at the Cath labs. We have met a very brilliant doctors, highly world-class technologist, Mr. Ashraf, interventional radiologist, interventional cardiologist. We feel at home. The training here is amazing. I can recommend anyone to come here and visit. We have been treated like we are the son and the children from the Jordan. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
My name is Idi Besta. I came from Tanzania. I'm working at Muhimbili National Hospital. We came here at Jordan. People from Jordan, they are very good. We welcome that very nicely. Here at Arab Medical Center, staff here, they are very good. We learn a lot from here. And especially Ashraf and his other staffs, they are good. We like to come again here. Thank you so much.
My name is Vasile Fabia. I'm from Tanzania. I'm working at Muhimbili National Hospital as an IR technologist. So I have a chance to come here at the Arab Medical Center. And we are happy with what we are expecting to get from here. We are so we are getting it. And I think what you learn here, we're going to apply to our hospital for helping patients to get high quality of service to our hospital. Thank you everyone who receiving us and who was teaching us and just making us more competent. So thank you very much.